In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I am Dr. Saad Tamimi, consultant internist and cardiologist, working at Gulf Medical and Diabetes Center and at Noor Specialist Hospital in Bahrain. Today I would like to talk about the amazing health benefits of fasting during Ramadan. Besides its spiritual benefit and its positive impact on human psyche, it has been shown that Ramadan fasting increases production of serotonin, which can boost your mood and decrease anxiety and depression. Fasting also gives your bowel a rest, promoting gut health and improving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, and help you control your body weight by losing some pounds. Also, fasting has been shown to boost our immunity by increasing white blood cell antibodies, decrease the production of certain cytokines that have been shown to provoke inflammation, and stimulate production of macrophages that help fight infection. Also, fasting has a tremendous cardiovascular benefit in terms of reduction of the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL, which is involved in the formation of the coronary plaque, and this can lead to clogging of your arteries and lead to heart attack and stroke. It also increases the good cholesterol, which is the HDL. So there is no question that fasting during Ramadan is the best thing you can do for your body health. At the end, I would like to say Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Stay blessed and stay fit. Thank you.